The stomach channel is a yin-yang pair channel of the spleen channel. It's also the foot channel of Yangming. Let's start with the primary channel. The primary channel begins at Li20, goes up to meet with BL1 at the medial canthus, and comes down to the first stomach channel point, ST1. It keeps going down to enter the upper gum and meet with GV26 and GV28, located between the nose and the upper lip. It curves around the lips and meets with RN24 at the groove of the chin. It goes laterally across the cheeks to ST5 and ST6. It ascends to ST8, passing a few gallbladder points, and meets with GV24 at the midline of the front hairline. There is a branch at ST5 that goes down along the anterior aspect of the neck and enters the supraclavicular fossa where ST12 is located. It goes to the upper back and meets with GV14, goes down through the diaphragm, linking with CV13 and CV12, and enters the stomach and spleen. From ST12, the primary channel goes down to ST18 and then passes two-chun lateral to the midline. It goes down to ST30, where another branch from the pyloric orifice of the stomach merges in the inguinal region. It continues to go down along the anterolateral aspect of the thigh and lower leg. It travels to the dorsum of the foot and ends at ST45 at the lateral side of the second toe. There is a branch at ST36 that goes to the lateral side of the middle toe. Another branch comes out at ST42 and ends at SP1 at the medial side of the big toe. The stomach luo-connecting channel starts at ST40. It goes up along the medial aspect of the lower leg to join the spleen channel. It continues to ascend to the nape and head, then ends at the throat. The stomach divergent channel branches off in the middle of the thigh, enters the abdomen, then enters the stomach, spleen, and heart. It goes up along the esophagus, mouth, nose, and eyes, then rejoins the stomach primary channel. The stomach sinew channel begins at the middle three toes, binds at the dorsum of the foot, goes up along the lateral aspect of the tibia, and binds at the lateral aspect of the knee. It connects with the gallbladder sinew channel, binds at the hip joint, and connects with the spine. There is a branch that goes along the tibia and binds at the knee and pelvic region above the genital. This branch goes up along the abdomen and binds at ST12. It continues to go up to the neck, jaw, and mouth, binds below the nose, and joins the bladder sinew channel to form a lower muscular net around the eye. There is a branch that separates at the jaw and binds in front of the ear. Here are the key points. The stomach primary channel begins at Li20. The primary channel meets with GB, GV, and CV points on the head. The primary channel enters the upper gum and connects with both the upper and lower teeth by joining GV26 and CV24. The primary channel's branch at ST36 connects with the middle toe, and at ST42 connects with the big toe. The primary, divergent, and sinew channels are related with the eye. The primary and sinew channels are related with the ear. The luo-connecting channel goes to the nape and the head and ends at the throat. The sinew channel binds at the hip and above the genital and connects with the spine. The primary channel enters the stomach and spleen. The divergent channel enters the stomach, spleen, and heart. Now let's look at what kind of signs and symptoms manifest when there is a problem with the stomach primary channel. Manic behavior, abdominal distension, nosebleed, facial paralysis, swelling of the neck, pain along the course of the channel. Most of these are the pathological signs and symptoms shown along the stomach channel, and the quality is that of heat, involving redness, swelling, and pain. The stomach luo-connecting channel has excess and deficiency syndrome. For excess, signs and symptoms include manic behavior and epilepsy. Also, if the qi counterflows, there may be swollen, sore throat, and sudden loss of voice. For deficiency, signs and symptoms include flaccidity and atrophy of the leg. Signs and symptoms of the stomach sinew channel are sprain of the middle toe, contraction of the muscles of the lower leg and thigh, swelling in the groin, hernia, spasm of the abdominal muscles that extends to the supraclavicular fossa and cheek, deviation of mouth, inability to close the eyes due to spasm from cold, inability to open the eyes due to flaccidity from heat. Now let's go over some major acupuncture points on this channel. ST1 is the major point for any eye disorder. It not only dispels wind cold or wind heat, but also moves qi and blood, so this point can be used for both exterior and interior conditions. ST4 is the major point for facial paralysis. Facial paralysis can be caused by wind or cold invading the channel, stomach liver fire, or yin deficiency heat. Whatever has caused deviation, ST4 can be used. ST6 is a major point for the jaw disorder and for the lower gum and teeth disorders. It is often combined with ST7, which has additional action of treating disorders of the ear. ST8 is an important point for headaches. Since it's on the Yangming channel, it is good at treating the frontal headache, but it can also treat temporal and vertex headaches because this is the meeting point of the stomach channel with the gallbladder channel and yang linking vessel. ST25 is the major point that regulates the intestines. This point is great for treating any diarrhea or dysentery. It also has actions of regulating qi and removing stagnation, so it is also indicated for vomiting, distension and pain of the abdomen, and even abdominal or uterine masses. This point is often combined with ST37, the lower Hussey point of the large intestine. ST39 is the lower Hussey point of the small intestine, which can also treat diarrhea and dysenteric disorder, has additional indications for small intestine channel, such as severe lower abdominal pain that goes to the testicles, or extreme sensations of cold and heat in the shoulder. ST36 is the most important point on the stomach channel, perhaps among all acupuncture points, because it can be used in the treatment of any disorder of the stomach. This point is the most important point in supporting the spleen and stomach, the root of the Po7, thus generating qi and blood. Variety of disorders due to deficiency can be treated with this point, even muscle flaccidity and atrophy. In addition to tonifying action, ST36 can also clear fire, transform phlegm, and activate the channel. Clearing fire and transferring phlegm by tonification of the spleen can help with manic behavior, and activating the channel by moving of qi and blood can treat painful obstruction. ST40 transforms any accumulation of phlegm. Phlegm in the lung causes coughing, wheezing, or asthma. Phlegm in the heart causes emotional depression or manic disorder. And phlegm with qi stagnation in the throat causes a sensation of throat blockage. Many other diseases involving phlegm, ST40 is the number one point to choose. When there is a heat in the stomach channel, there may be signs and symptoms such as frontal headache, redness of the face and eyes, nosebleed, or throat painful obstruction. When there is heat in the stomach organ, there may be signs and symptoms such as abdominal distension, belching, excessive hunger, or constipation. ST41 clears heat in both the stomach channel and stomach organ. As the stomach divergent channel enters the heart, clearing heat in the stomach channel has an effect of calming the mind. That is why many points on the stomach channel that clear heat, including ST41, can calm the spirit as well. When there is a swelling of the eyes or face and bulbargument due to deafness, ST43 can be combined because this point can regulate the spleen and dispel edema. Lastly, ST44 can clear heat and calm the spirit like ST41. One interesting indication of this point is hands and feet counterflow cold, where hands and feet are cold while the body is hot. If you want to learn more about acupuncture prescriptions according to patterns, please check our blog, the link is in the description. In the next video, we will learn about the spleen channel of foot tai yin.